Hello everybody, and the front forks, my front forks here for this race bike have just come back from re-chroming and having their seals done and actually being straightened in this case. So this is a video on how to correctly reinstall your front forks there. And there's about 6 steps in this procedure, so I will run them through with you right now in dot form, and then we'll look at doing them on the bike. So the first thing is to shove your forks up through the lower triple clamp, the clip-on if you've got a clip-on, and then the upper triple clamp. Up they go, and make sure they stick out the correct amount here around the top. Use your eyes or a vernier caliper, whatever you think is more accurate. That is step number 1. Step number 2 will be to add your fender here, your wheel arch, whatever. Some bikes have a cross piece here also. Put that back on. At that point we're going to tighten all the fork pinch bolts, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, so bolts in upper and lower, and the clip-on pinch bolts if you have them. Tighten them at that point. The next stage is put your wheel on and your brakes, which obviously involves putting the axle through, and you can do up the axle nut while you're there. Do not tighten your pinch bolts at this point. Then take bike off the front stand and push up and down here several times to get the suspension moving. It will move these around to the axle around to where it's happiest, at which point you can do up all 4 pinch bolts down the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is in dot form. Now let's actually do it on this motorcycle. Okay, so obviously the forks are in through the triple clamps, and we're putting the fender wheel arch thingy in, having a bit of a fight with it there, and yep, do up those bolts, and then when we're use a drill, because you know time is money, and when we're done with that, at some point around about now, you tighten up all your triple clamp bolts to torque. So I haven't shown you that because it would just be too exciting for you. Now, next step is put in the front wheel, and now here comes the axle. Yep, axle in, and the axle bolt. Probably after you've done this, you could put on the brakes, and yeah, okay, so tighten up your axle there. Brakes are on. Tighten those bolts that hold the brake thing on there. Yep, and then, yep, now we're around the other side. Tighten up your caliper bolts. There we go, to torque. Beautiful bike on ground, and this bit looks really good in fast forward. Enjoy this. Ooh. Yes. Well done. That'll do. Oop. Enough already. Okay. Now we can do the what are those things called? The bottom pinch bolt thingies. Now that the axle is kind of where it wants to be, do those up to torque. There we go. Yep. Just finessing the thing there, and yeah, we're done. Now, added footage. I reconditioned my front brake. So here's a look down the barrel of my front master cylinder. As you can see, all is good in there. So in went the reconditioning kit, and here is the new piston on the left and the old piston on the right. And of course, we did seals at the same time because we are professionals. Okay, bike is now ready to race. Goodbye, everybody.